Hello, little pumpkins. Let's talk about finding the simplest forms of fractions. So there's two different ways to do this, and I'm gonna start with kind of the easier way. Okay, let's say we have a fraction like 8 over 64. So the first thing I can think is there any factor at all that would work or is there any number that is a factor for both of these numbers, 8 and 64? Well, I can see that they're both even numbers. And if they're even numbers, I can always divide by 2, or there will always be a factor of 2. Now, I know you are a little uncomfortable with division, but if you can do multiplication, you can do division, because this is the same problem as 2 times something equals 8. If you can do 2 times something equals 8, then you can surely do 8 divided by 2. Okay, so back to this. Let's see here. 8 divided by 2 and 64 divided by 2. I know I can divide them both by 2 because they're even numbers. And of course, you've probably already figured out that this is 4. And 64 divided by 2, if I just think about 6 first, what is half of 6? That's 3. Right? And then what's half of 4? That's 2. So now 8/64 is an equivalent fraction of 4/32. But these are still two even numbers that I could divide by 2 again, right? Think about it. 2 times what equals 4? 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 32 divided by 2, so I have to find half of 32. Anybody? 16, that's right. Could I divide these again? Do they both have a factor of 2 again? Yes, they do. And that would be 1 over 8. And that 1 over 8 is the simplest form of, doggone it, of the fraction. So I had to get it until it doesn't have any more factors in common.